Hi, Kathryn Hills here from the EUP ISD Lifespan Program, and today we are going to be making tuna apple salad. If you're like me and do not care for tuna, you can substitute using canned chicken. Now, when I go in the classrooms, I always make the kids try all the different fruits and vegetables that I bring and tell them that they don't know if they don't like something until they try it, and all our taste buds are different. I've tried tuna. I really love this recipe with the canned chicken. You might like it with the canned tuna. Either way, it's a great source of protein. The recipe also calls for apples, golden raisins, some celery, and a red onion. Now this recipe can be either served on a pita on a bed of greens, I chose spinach, or it can be served as a dip with pita chips. Try it either way and let us know if you like it. Thanks, bye.